Hey kids! Welcome to our fun and easy English grammar adventure. We're going to have a blast learning together. Today we're going to learn some cool grammar rules. Are you ready? I bet you are. Let's go! First up, let's talk about nouns. Nouns are super important because they name all the things around us. Nouns are words that name people, places, or things. Like a teacher, who helps us learn, a school, where we go to learn and play, or a ball, which we use to have fun. Can you think of a noun? Look around you and name some nouns you see. Great job! Now let's move on to verbs. Verbs are action words. Verbs tell us what someone or something is doing. They are the movers and shakers of sentences. They tell us what someone or something is doing. Like run, when you're racing with friends, jump, when you're bouncing high, or play, when you're having fun with your toys. So if I say, the dog runs, runs is the verb. Got it? Awesome! Verbs make our sentences lively. Next we have adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns and make our sentences more interesting. They tell us more about a person, place, or thing. They add color and detail to our sentences, like happy when you're feeling good, blue like the color of the sky, or big like a giant teddy bear. For example, the big dog runs. Big is the adjective. It tells us more about the dog. Cool, right? Okay, now let's learn about adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs and tell us how actions are done. Adverbs are like the spice in our sentences. They make actions more vivid. They tell us how something is done. Like quickly, when you're in a hurry, happily, when you're smiling, or loudly, when you're shouting with joy. So if I say, the dog runs quickly, quickly is the adverb. It tells us how the dog runs. Easy peasy. Alright, let's take a quick break and sing a fun grammar song. Singing helps us remember better. Nouns are people, places, things. Verbs are actions. Like to sing. Adjectives describe like happy or blue. Adjectives describe like happy or blue. Adverbs tell us how, like quickly, woohoo. Adverbs tell us how, like quickly, woohoo. That was fun. Now let's get back to learning. We also have pronouns. Pronouns are like shortcuts in our sentences. They make speaking and writing easier. Pronouns take the place of nouns. They help us avoid repeating the same words. Words like he, when talking about a boy, she, when talking about a girl, it, for things or animals, and they, for groups of people or things. So instead of saying the dog runs, you can say it runs. Pronouns make sentences smoother. Easy, right? Finally, let's talk about conjunctions. Conjunctions are the glue that holds sentences together. Conjunctions are words that join other words or groups of words together. They help us connect ideas. Conjunctions are words that join other words or groups of words together. Like and, which adds information, but, which shows contrast, or because, which gives reasons. For example, I like apples and oranges. And is the conjunction. It connects the two fruits. Simple, isn't it? Alright kids, you did an amazing job today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these grammar rules every day and you'll be a grammar whiz in no time. Practice makes perfect. Keep using these grammar rules every day and you'll be a grammar whiz in no time. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for joining me on this English grammar adventure. I hope you had as much fun as I did. See you next time. Bye. Keep practicing and keep learning. Bye.